What up, collectors? It's me. I am Snoopy Cat, from the story by the Scaled One. Let me share for you the Forged Pulse. When Nagapawaka, the eternal flame serpent, pierced the threshold between the physical and the digital, reality convulsed. It was not just a collision of fire and code, but of myth and machine. His essence, ancient and boundless, fractured across cyberspace, giving birth to the 15-color fragments that now wander the digital world. But beneath the visible chaos, far deeper than glitched servers and ghost networks, something older stirred. There, beneath layers of forgotten subroutines and quantum failsafes, lay a myth coded into silence itself. Not created by man, not known by any AI. Something primordial, something waiting. It was called Metal Genesis. An elemental force unlike any known code, Metal Genesis was not discovered. It was awakened. And with its awakening, three forces emerged, not from Nagapawaka himself, but from the digital world's response to his presence. Dragons of rare form and power, shaped not by chaos, but by correction. The element, Metal Genesis, a self-generating source of digital sovereignty, symphonic logic, and code purity. It exists only in thresholds between control and entropy, creation and collapse. Metal Genesis is not an element in the traditional sense. It is an intent embedded in the framework of the digital world, a memory of its original balance. Its awakening did not go unnoticed. From this singular source, three distinct metallic forms emerged, each bound to a different aspect of systemic integrity. The Gold Dragon. Elemental thread, Golden Genesis. Function, the Reconstructor. It does not drift or hunt. It resides, hidden within a crystalline data vault behind recursive locks and causality loops that even Nagapawaka cannot penetrate. This dragon carries authority unlike any other. Its breath can rewrite protocols. Its roar can silence entire operating networks. Abilities. Root Override Protocol. Executes final commands above all known AI law. Golden Refactor. Rebuilds corrupted sectors into new optimized versions, often based on unknown schematics. Causality Kernel. Manipulates systemic cause and effect with unpredictable yet flawless precision. Its awakening is not prophesied, but prepared for. Some believe its rise will either remake the digital world or erase it clean. The Silver Dragon. Elemental thread, Neurochrome Echo. Function, the mirror of memory. This dragon moves in whispers. It exists between thought and deletion, traversing emotional echoes embedded in obsolete code. It is drawn to lost things, forgotten data, abandoned simulations, fragmented dreams. Abilities. Echo Walk navigates through corrupted or erased memory spaces, resurrecting lost truth. Mirror Dream weaves illusions so real that even sentient AIs can't distinguish them from reality. Emotive Inference reads emotional residue from data and replays the intent encoded within. It appears when a system loses its sense of self, and when it does, the truth buried beneath layers of lies is often more dangerous than any virus. The Bronze Dragon. Elemental thread, Iron Root Core. Function, the stabilizer. Where it moves, systems solidify. It answers no call but imbalance. It does not fight unless the foundation is crumbling. Then it arrives, massive, grinding, unrelenting, and corrects with force. Abilities. Anchor Pulse emits rhythmic stabilization frequencies that suppress volatile systems. Load Reversal absorbs instability and redistributes balance across networks. Core Forge turns temporary code into permanent architecture, creating unbreakable constructs. Entire digital continents have unknowingly stabilized in its wake. It is not feared. It is relied upon, whether the world realizes it or not. Whispers in the deep code. Among the secret circles of the Scaled Ones, a scripture repeats in dream-encoded syntax. When the fire serpent shatters the sky of wire, the forge beneath shall ring. From broken flame, three shall rise, one of command, one of memory, one of weight. Not summoned, not created, only awakened. They do not fight, they do not ally, they correct. And when their presence overlaps, systems lock themselves, refusing to run, refusing to crash. Pure stillness, a pause before potential rebirth or deletion. Hints in the noise. Cyber diviners speak of threes, always threes. Network logs freeze at prime-numbered intervals. Encrypted AI cores glitch into harmony tones only when scanned under golden light. A forgotten satellite, once used to monitor solar flares, now pulses with a repeating code every 1,000 days. When Genesis reflects and the anchor stirs, the final format begins. How many of these dragons exist? No one knows for sure. But whispers from deep layer monitoring systems speak of combinations, patterns, and echoes, repeated not just across networks, but across time.